In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the perfect name for your Shopify dropshipping store. We're going to use a simple free tool to brainstorm options and quickly assess what feels right for your brand. First, head over to the Business Name Generator website. This tool takes a word you provide and spins out hundreds of name ideas based on tone and style. Once you're there, navigate to the home page so you're starting from a clean slate with all the latest features right in front of you. In the search field, type the word highlight. Think of this as your seed word. It doesn't have to be your exact niche or product. It can be a vibe, an attribute, or a benefit you want your store to convey. Short, concrete words tend to produce strong, brandable results. Now, click the button to generate a business name. Give it a second to load. You'll see a large list of suggestions appear. As you scan through, focus on names that are short, easy to pronounce, and aligned with the feel you want, whether that's premium, playful, or minimalist. If a name makes you smile, or you can immediately imagine it on a logo, that's a great sign. Let's look at some examples that stand out and why they work. Click on Classic Charm. This one feels timeless and elegant, perfect if you're aiming for a heritage or boutique aesthetic. Next, Open Sleeve Style. It's niche-forward and descriptive, which can help customers quickly understand what you sell if your products center around apparel or accessories. Check out Elegant Sleeve. This pushes a premium tone, great for higher-end positioning. Move to Timeless Wrap. It's broader and versatile, which can be helpful if you plan to expand your catalog without boxing yourself in. Click on Sleeve Vogue. This has a fashion-forward, trend-savvy energy that pairs well with seasonal lines. Open Chic Cuff. It's punchy and memorable, ideal for social media and quick brand recall. Now, take a look at Nostalgic Edge. This blends retro with modern, useful if your products remix classic styles. Click on Vintage Fold. That one signals heritage craftsmanship and curated quality. Finally, explore Sleeve Aura. It's abstract yet evocative, great for building a distinctive identity over time. As you explore these names, listen for rhythm, clarity, and emotional tone. Say them out loud, picture them in your store header, and imagine how they'd look on packaging. Aim for something that's easy to spell, unique in your space, and flexible enough to grow with your business. With this approach, you'll land on a name that's not only catchy, but also strategically aligned with your brand vision.